Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. Are you getting audio issues like audio not functioning or audio sometimes disconnecting or audio not working well on Windows 11 or 10 computers? No worries. If your computer installed with Realtek audio driver, this video for you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to update with latest version of Realtek audio driver on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computers. For that, just open your web browser, search for Download Realtek audio driver. Here in the search results, click on the official Realtek website link for audio driver here. This will open Realtek audio driver download page. Here listed all the latest versions of audio drivers. The latest driver released on 15th August 2026. The first link is zip file and second link is executable file. Here I am going to download second executable file. Click on download button. Here accept the agreement, then click on download the file. Here select I am not a robot for the verification. Okay, now the download is started. But you can see that the downloading is very slow, even my internet speed is high. In this case, better use any of the download manager softwares to download this too fast. For that, open web browser and search for Download Manager. Hit enter. Here in the search results, click on Internet Download Manager link. Here click on Download Free button. Now Internet Download Manager is downloaded. Click on it to open the downloaded folder. Click on it to install and click on Next and proceed the installation. Okay, now the Internet Download Manager got installed. Here still you can see the downloading audio driver very slow. Better cancel the downloading. Okay, now refresh the Realtek audio driver download page. Now you can see that downloading Realtek audio driver opened automatically with Internet Download Manager. Here click on Start Download. Okay, the audio driver is started downloading. Here you can see that the speed is far better than the direct download. Just wait for some times to get it download. Okay, now the download is completed. Click on Open the folder. Here right click on the file, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Next and proceed the installation. Just wait for some times to get it installed. Okay, now the installation is completed. Click on Finish to complete the installation. Now the system will restart once. Now your system got installed with latest Realtek audio driver and your system audio will improved, and also if any audio related issues there, that will clear now. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.